I'm Allison Primo, Schnucks Registered Dietitian, and we'll be making one of our good-for-you lunch recipes today, our chopped Brussels sprout salad. It's so easy to put together and makes healthy eating at lunchtime a breeze. So grab your ingredients and meet me in the kitchen. For our ingredients, we're going to be making a simple dressing to toss over our Brussels sprout salad. Let's put this together. What's great is when you make your salad dressing at home, you can control exactly what goes in it. And it makes it so much healthier than a lot of the bottled salad dressings that you find at the store. So we started by adding our 1/4 cup of olive oil. Next, grab your red wine vinegar, and we are going to add in 3 tablespoons. After the vinegar, we'll toss in about 2 tablespoons of shallots. Then we'll do 2 teaspoons of our Dijon mustard. And then 2 teaspoons of honey. Once you get everything added to the bowl, grab a small whisk and just mix it together. Now that we have the dressing made, we'll set that to the side and put our salad ingredients together. So grab a bowl and we'll start by adding in a pound of chopped Brussels sprouts. And I like to use Brussels sprouts as my base because it's great for making a head. I can put this in the refrigerator and it'll be just as good the next day. Next, I'm adding in our purple cabbage. And again, Brussels sprouts and cabbage are in the same family, so it's going to hold up to if this is made ahead. Next, we are going to add in our pecans. Give us a little protein. Our pomegranates. Add a little sweetness. And they have a little bit of a crunch. We'll add our feta and some bacon for some salty, savory flavor. And about 2 tablespoons of parsley. You see, this is a really pretty salad. Lots of bright colors in there. And the last thing we're going to do is chop up our apple. So we're just going to cut this into slices and then toss our dressing on. The thing that makes a salad so great is all the different textures that you add to it. So you can see in our salad today, we've added a lot of good-for-you, nutritious items, but also a lot of flavor and texture. Okay, toss your apple in once you get it cut up. And now that we have everything in the salad, we'll grab our dressing. Since we made it ourselves, sometimes it separates, so you may need to give it one more whisk. And just drizzle it over the top. And add just a pinch of salt and pepper. And then we just mix it up. And that's it. A good-for-you lunch in just a matter of minutes. For more good-for-you recipes, opt in today at schnucks.com/goodforyou.